Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever traded a meme coin and wondered if it was safe or a rock in disguise, this video is actually for you. Today we are diving into a powerful new Bonkbot feature called the Open in Telemetry, and I will show you exactly how it works, how to use it, and how it can help you make smarter trades and avoid losing money. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so you never miss crypto tips like this one. Now let's start from the top. What exactly is telemetry? Telemetry is an on-chain analytics tool, just like the desk screener or bed.io, but it goes deeper. So it shows you detailed live data about any token. That is the price movement, liquidity info, whale wallets, buy and sell pressure, trading activities, just like the way you do with your soul scans and other. So basically it helps you see behind the scene of any token on Solana ecosystem. So what does open in telemetry actually do on Bonkbot? So now Bonkbot recently added this new feature. Let me get to my Bonkbot chart. This is my Bonkbot chart. Okay, we'll get here. Let's use this particular token as an example. Then you can see open in telemetry here. Now, Bonkbot recently added this new feature and it's called Open in Telemetry. When you are inside Bonkbot and you tap on any token, just like this one from your portfolio, or just after buying a token, you will see it. You will just see the button like this one, Open in Telemetry. When you click on it, Bonkbot takes you straight to that token's telemetry page. No need to go look it up manually, maybe on your soul scan or desk screener. So exactly what desk screener does for you. But I don't think on this Open in Telemetry, it shows that liquidity lock logo that desk screener actually shows. But let's open it. Because I've already created an account, I already linked my account to this open in telemetry. Once I click on it, it takes me to this account. But as a new user, once you click on it, it will take you to log in with your Telegram account. This is your Telegram Bonkbot account. So you just proceed to log in with it. Then whatever coin you buy and you see open in telemetry, or whatever coin you paste the contract address and you see the open in telemetry, just go ahead, click on it, then you see the details of that token. So what you need to do is open. We have already opened our Bonkbot on Telegram and we have seen the open in telemetry. So what you need to do now is to tap open in telemetry. So this is it, to just check out on this particular token B bar. So I'll just click on it. Once you click on it, you will be asked to click on open. So it should just show you the live chat. You can see the live chat, you can see the volume, you can see the liquidity. So basically the same thing that desk screener does, soul scan does, and other places you check out tokens before buying. So, but why I don't actually like this one is on this their liquidity part, you can't really know if the liquidity is locked or not. So you will see the liquidity pool, recent buys and sell, whale wallet activities, token age creator, safety metrics. So if you want to look out about the coin, you can see this about here. Just click on it. When you click on about, you can see contract address, you can see developer's address, you can see funding 9 days, 7 hours ago. Then top 10 holders, 22%. That's much somehow. Then terminal telegram holder. This is terminal telegram bot holders. It's 47%. This terminal telegram bot holders, bots, traders on bots on Telegram. 47. Dev holding. Developer is not holding anything, so you can see it's 0%. So desk is paid. Socials, you can just click on this to see their socials, depends on the particular token. So this is about the token. Then the next one is the trades. You can click, when you click on trades, you can see the buy and sell, buy and sell. You can see recent buy and sell. Just like checking your chart, which are just like clicking your chart on your desk screener. Then the holders, you can see holders, 379 holders. You can see the top holders. You can see that. So you can see the top traders here. Then this one is for me, my position, open orders, trade history. So basically, this one is my trade history on Bonkbot. Oh, sorry. I think we're done with whatever. So now look here, you can see how much liquidity this token has. That's 58K. This chart shows you the buy and sell activities. This chart here. So over here, we can check if just one wallet is holding most of the supply, and that's a red flag. So that is from here. Holders. When you click on holders, you check if maybe one wallet is holding most of the supply, maybe like 50%, or so that's not happening here. So it's actually not a red flag. So why this feature is a game changer? Why this feature is important, especially for beginners? Because meme coin trading is risky. Sometimes people buy coins without even knowing if the liquidity is locked, if the contract is safe, or if one wallet is holding maybe like 90% of the supply. So opening telemetry helps you answer those questions in one tap directly from your Bonkbot. So it gives you more confidence or saves you from getting robbed. Even if you're not an expert, you will quickly learn what to check just from here. So let me give you some tips for using this opening telemetry wisely. So the quick beginner tips when using telemetry is to check for liquidity. Avoid token with low liquidity. Unless maybe you just want to take risk or you know the project so well, then look for wallet distribution. If one wallet owns maybe like more than 30%, just be careful with that token. Then check if liquidity is locked. From here, you can actually see if liquidity is locked. If it was on desk screen now, you will see a padlock logo by the side of this liquidity. So from here, you can actually check if the liquidity is locked. So I always check liquidity lock on desk screener or soul scan. So watch buy and sell pressure. If more people are dumping than buying, maybe you should just wait. So all of this is visible in just few scrolls. So, and trust me, it makes a big difference. So I think I'm done with everything I need to explain here. So that's actually what opening telemetry does. So there you have it. The new opening telemetry feature on Bonkbot gives you on-chain superpowers. Even if you're just starting out, don't skip this step. It could save you from getting robbed or help you become a smarter trader. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, subscribe and comment below if you want me to do a full video on how to read a telemetry chart from scratch. Thanks for watching.